Hello, good morning, everybody. This is Daphne Lagwedel, and I am so happy and thrilled to be here. I thank the Master of the Universe for blessing me and helping me, and also for giving me life. So I hope you're doing okay. I hope you're manifesting money and joy and peace and positivity into your life. So, as I always say, na pousse pour pied devant. So today I get the news from Facebook that I reached 15,000 followers, and I wanted to thank each and every one of you for following me, either for a good reason or for a bad reason. So as I always say in business, good marketing, bad marketing is still marketing. And I want to thank all my haters out there for helping me to reach the 15,000 followers that I didn't even expect to reach until next month. Thank you so much for that. Keep sharing bad things about me, to keep to keep doing those things, because I am surely in a good place and will be making money. Thank you so much. But anyway, today what I really want to talk to you guys about, and I want to talk to you about on your business page, is what exactly goes behind the scene on your business Facebook page. So when you reach 10,000 followers, so basically you'll be able to earn money on your videos, 3 minutes long, as you can see. Okay, so you can, you will earn money. And right now I will show you one of the video that I earn the most of my money is that video that called Kembe La Palage. Okay, so on your business Facebook page, you can see that's my name, Daphne Lagudel, the social worker. That's my business Facebook page. You can see the insight, performance, loyalty, audience, earnings, and everything. So this week I have 227,000 more people that watch my videos, a little bit down, but I have 61,000 people that watch 1 minute video from me, and I have 221.6 thousand people and 9,000 people that is engaging on my business page. So this is how you do. De pour être consistent, what mette a content out, so you're gonna see the result. Et data pa bay manti, m toujou pale de data, people always say, oh, mes amis, c'est l'autre bon. Data pa bon manti, ou ka wè ki kote depuis commencer what you do, you're going to see the result, okay? So do not kill yourself. You will see the result and wap pousse pipi devant. So my top video is Kembe Palage that I posted on June 25th, pendant mte nan Freeport, Nassau, Bahamas. And the second top videos is Bon Femme, que mte poste 5 juillet sa la. Et yon lot nan video c'est Famille, c'est pi gros tret, nou ka wè kap marche très bien. Et yon lot nan video nou chak gon kote nou prale, ki mte poste le 8 juillet, kap marche très bien. Ok? Et nous gagnons live ça que m'te fait dimanche mkwe samedi après matin. Cap marché très bien, 10.5k, not a lot of people, but hey, it's still doing well. And you have all my other videos that are 5k people watching, 3k people, 2k, 1k, hey, you will see. C'est nan, c'est comme ça wap wè bagay yo. So, ki sa mbral do? Create your Facebook page, okay? Créer Facebook page ou créer Facebook page. Okay, I will be teaching you how to add YouTube on your YouTube page on your Facebook business page. So watch for the video coming on my YouTube page. Click subscribe, all right, and you will see all the beautiful content, and I will give you everything you need to know. Thank you so much, everyone. I love you all. Ciao.